We have a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. It's a gorgeous 1978 Bronco Ranger XLT. First year for the second gen, 351, 4-speed, factory air, power disc brakes, power steering. Got a rough country lift on it. Super solid. Arizona truck, then went to Texas, then back to Arizona. Very nice truck. Bronco. Nicely done. Got 33-inch tires, but 12.5. Nicely done. Bucket seat, center console, back seat. Top is nice. Doors are nice. Nice door panels. Jams. Seat belts. Just nicely done. If you want to fly in and check it out in person, fly into St. Louis International, Lambert Airport, one and the same. More than happy to pick you up, just forward us your itinerary. Love the Sundowner Stripes on it. Matching spare. The remote for the glass does work. Off the dash to lower and raise the window. Just a super nice truck. All the trim and bright work still in good shape. Appears to be original. There is a little wear on it, but still showing extremely well. Same with the grill. Appears to be the original grill, but still shows extremely well. Paint's got a nice shine. A lot of Bronco for the money. Are a few little chips here. We have some touch-up paint for that. Appears to be the original bumper on it. It does have a little patina, but still shows extremely well. Good shine. Showing 76,092 miles, upgraded with a Sony head unit CD. Just a nice unit. Passenger seat does lift forward, so you can get people into the back, no problem. We'll take this little rig for a ride. find probably close to 100 pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. Please like and share the video, subscribe to the channel, help us grow. Leave your comments and input on the video in the comment section below. You can reach me, Mark, at 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. If you just want to talk to somebody in person besides sending messages or emails, we'll answer either form. And you can fly into St. Louis International, Lambert Airport, they're one and the same. Let us know when you're coming for us, your flight itinerary. We'll be more than happy to pick you up and bring you to either one of our 3 warehouses to look at the vehicle. We welcome third-party inspections. We have a lift. Take them for rides. Thoroughly check them out before you make a decision to purchase. That was me. Rush hour traffic today. Trying to beat the weather before this rain comes in. Fun Bronco to drive. Got a good exhaust system. Sounds good. Great rumble. Newer suspension bars, obviously with the lift kit and stuff. It's a tight driving Bronco. We do have a really nice first gen Bronco. 73 uncut, super nice. You can check that out on the website www.westportautocenter.com.